Hi, my name is Tracy and welcome to another clean and organized style video. I'm going to be cleaning my makeup room / glam room for you today, as well as my living room. So if you need some cleaning motivation or you just like to watch these kinds of videos, definitely keep watching. I'll be bringing these to you all of 2022 and I'm excited to incorporate new spaces in my content as well. Now I just wanted to thank you guys for watching and thank you so much for your support. So as you can see, I am installing a new light fixture. I'm taking down the old one just because it's very dated, as well as it didn't put out enough light in the room, so I couldn't really film content later in the day. So I do think it does help. This light is so much better. It puts out so much more light, but you're going to be able to take a look at it. I love the color. I like the style. I love those Edison style bulbs, and I really think it's making a huge difference in terms of the look of the room, as well as giving me more flexibility with filming schedules. So
I know I'm alright when I look into your eyes. Give it to me funky, funky, give it to me. Give it to me funky, funky, give it to me. Give it to me funky, funky, give me that beat, that funky, funky. Give it to me funky, funky, give me that beat, that funky, funky. Give it to me funky, funky, give it to me. Give it to me funky, funky, give it to me, baby. Face towards the stars. Feel my beating heart. All up in my zone. Well, let this go. Touch you once, I go numb. Heartbeats like a drum. Feel your fantasy. Give yourself to me. Stay in this moment. Just hold on, hold on. We got tonight, babe. Tomorrow is gone. You and the moonlight. It's all that I want. It's all that I want. It's all.
So I'm taking all of the bags, all of these bags, the gray trash bags, those 2 bags that you saw me carry off. Those are all going to be donated to Goodwill, and then all of the boxes, I do take those to be recycled.
Give it to me, yeah. We can touch the sky, babe. It's a natural high. I know I'm alright when I look into your eyes. Give it to me funky, funky, give it to me. Give it to me funky, funky, give it to me. Give it to me funky, funky, give it to me.
So I like to use Ziploc bags to store and organize all of my YouTube filming equipment. So basically I group everything together and basically just label that Ziploc bag. And then I will take all my cords, because the cords sometimes they're specific to certain items. I'll try to label the cord itself, as well as just group everything together, just to make it easier for me to find things, and then I don't have cords wrapped around and I get frustrated. So it's been working for me for now.
But I want you to know how I feel. In a dream, I let you back into my life, yeah. Watching a soap opera, I feel your hands on my body. Wish we were getting naughty. Oh, I'm just getting started. Thinking about how you feel so right. Been dreaming all night. Could you be mine? We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. It's like something out of a movie. You see right through me. It's like you already knew me. We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. Come and be with me tonight. I don't wanna come across impolite, but I'm ready. Hey, baby, come and show me how it's done. It's just you and me, one-on-one, nice and dirty. Baby, come and be with me tonight. I don't wanna come across impolite, but I'm ready. Oh, baby, come and show me how it's done. It's just you and me, one-on-one, nice and dirty. One-on-one, one-on-one. One-on-one, one-on-one, standing right here holding up a sign. Shamelessly displaying my state of mind. You walk right past me, pretending like you don't see what's yours for the taking tonight.
you know who came back for another appearance. He's really excited. He's looking at himself in the monitor, and he's just a ball of energy, as they all are at that age. It's really easy for me to kind of lose my patience because I'm tired. I'm just trying to get done. You know, this is just a lot of work. And even though I enjoy cleaning, I'm not always in the mood for it. So in this moment, I'm really just reminding myself to just be calm and just let him do what he wants to do for a few minutes. And then, then I can kind of, you can see I'm nudging him out the way. Just kind of gently trying to redirect him. But yeah, I was so frustrated.
You're better without me. Know for a fact that you're happy now. Hate that I treated you badly.
So now we've made it to the sweeping and mopping portion of the video, which is my favorite point. And I just find sweeping and mopping to be therapeutic. I like to see others do it. I like to do it myself. So I just enjoy it. And so we're wrapping everything up here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're still watching up to this point, I really appreciate you, and I appreciate all of my subscribers. I'm currently at 45, and so that's just really exciting for me. The last video that I did, if you just want to see different content or content filmed in other areas, then I do have a car cleaning video on my channel that did pretty well, or is doing pretty well. It's gotten over 500 views thus far, which is huge for me, so I'm appreciative. But thank you so much for your interest, and thank you for your time as well. And just keep watching, and we will wrap this video up for you guys.
It goes back to when you said you liked me. When I'm fucked into the movies, I used to think that we were so lucky. No, I don't want you back, not at all. I just wanted to give you a call. I regret what I said at the mall. No, I don't even miss you a bit. You and I didn't work to the fit, and I think you were right, I admit. I didn't mean to call you
world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, 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 finally. I always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings.
So thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, like the video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.